answer the first question. All right, this is just the same type of thing you could have done after watching the first video, which is the part 1. So intervals where G is increasing. Okay, so where is G increasing? So increasing would be from here to here, and then again from here to there. So we use the X value. So we're going to say from -3 to +2. So where is G increasing? We'll say from -3 to +2, but then it picks up again when X is 4, and then it goes on forever in that increasing manner. Okay, so where is G increasing? Those intervals. Decreasing, it's going to decrease from -infinity down to here. And then it has another little decreasing component right here. So let's write those down. So it's decreasing from -infinity and to -3. And then once again, it increases from 2 to 4. Okay, that is where G is decreasing. Now we're going to go with some of the new stuff. All right, so some of the new stuff is when the rate of change. So that's what we went over in part 2 of the video, the first part of part 2 video. So intervals where the rate of change of G is increasing. So remember, if the rate of change is increasing, we were looking for where it's concave up. So if you need to make a little note to yourself, you're looking to see where this is going to be concave up. All right, so where is it concave up? Well, it's concave up here, but then somewhere it changes and goes concave down. Somewhere it changes again and then goes back concave up. So remember, these points where it's changing concavity, we said that is called a point of inflection. So it's going to be concave up or have an increasing rate of change from -infinity until that first point of inflection. So here we're going to write -infinity to -0.5. And then again, see, this part is concave down up until there. And so it turns and goes concave up again, starting when X is 3. So we'll say from 3 to infinity. So to answer the next question, where's the rate of change decreasing? Well, the rate of change is decreasing when you have the graph being concave down. Okay, so we said that also in the other video. So we just need the part where it's concave down. So this was concave up and this was concave up. So the only part where it's concave down is from here to here. So -0.5 to 3. Okay. Now we put them together. All right. And this is where it can get a little tricky. So that's why I have the little cheat sheet, so to speak, the little notes down at the bottom that we'll summarize. All right. Where is G increasing? Okay. So it has to be